Okay, the video is here. I know it took me some time. Super glowy skin, winter skin. It's only a couple of products. I am not an esthetician, as you can see, but I do know a couple of things about skincare. I mean, my skin used to look like this. It's gotten to this. I've used 1,000,001 products along the way. Let me get these products together. I already talked about her before. She's easy, she's breezy, she's beautiful. She's that girl. See, I was thinking ahead this time because y'all know I'm a chatty catty. If you don't think I'm chatty, then maybe I just don't like you. This is just how I do it. Yes, I put all these products on top of my exfoliant. I do my exfoliant during the day. That's just me though. In order to get super glowy winter skin that this video is about, or even just like glazed donut adjacent, I really do like my skin to look very like supple and very, oh my gosh, like your skin looks amazing. So it doesn't look like you douse yourself in oil. You look healthy. She's working. She's working. If you want something to those pores, yeah. As you can see, she's already done like a heavy lift. And that's why I really like to wear her underneath moisturizing products and stuff like that. And during the day, it's worked for me. So I'm gonna continue doing it. Next, this is something new. I really wanted to make sure I was trying it out for months before I came up on here and suggested it to y'all. If you are on the Enters events, you've heard about this. Now, what is it really supposed to do? I don't know, but I really feel like it's just really like pouring moisture into you. I think you don't need a lot. I'm being like very bourgeois right now. Typically I do this. Typically that's me. And I pat it into my skin. I know that the sun is out. Look at that. Guys, we're getting there. Like, come on. Do you see her? Do you need a better view? Like, do you see her? I think you might just need a better view. Next product is like my favorite, your moisturizer. There are two products that you can use. If you have super dry skin, or this is like the dead of winter, and you really need that moisture, that other girl. I love this product and I've been using her for over her shelf life, honestly. I mean, if you really want to know some tea about me, it's because a little bit goes a very, very long way. I learned that lesson. I scooped a little gallop. I looked so oily. If you have oily to combination skin and it's entering the springtime or this is like fall, I just started using this pretty recently. And I think that this gives you a great little glow. It's not as much as this, so that's why I would suggest this. Today though, we're using my big body because I really want to show you guys what this glowy skin could really look like. And here's another tidbit. You don't need an eye cream if you just bring your moisturizer up to your under eye. You don't need an eye cream. It takes like a little second for that to really settle in, but I mean, you can see the glow is here. Final step, sunscreen. I don't love any of my sunscreens to the point of like, I must suggest this to somebody. So I'm just gonna say, put on a sunscreen. This one kind of mutes it down just a little bit. So you're definitely gonna see my glow calm down. But then as the day progresses, it's gonna come in. Okay, I'm gonna come back in probably like 20 minutes or so. My hair might change. Don't watch that too late. I mean, come on. Get this glow. Let's all get this. I mean, you can't get this, but I can get you looking like this. You know what I'm saying?